Hello, future makers. Welcome to Teacherpreneur. It's the teacher that makes the difference and not the classroom. As a teacher, how can we differentiate with other teachers? The best way to differentiate yourself is to start the class on an amazing note. The way you start the class will set a tone for how your actual lecture will be. So, if you want to know 7 amazing ways on how you can start your classroom and set a tone for your class, then today's video is definitely for you. So make sure you watch the video till the end and comment down below what was your favorite way to start the class. And now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first way to start your class is called the Jinx Challenge. In this challenge, you pick up different categories at the start of your class. For example, if you're going to teach them about colors, then you can pick the category colors. Here, random people have to start saying colors, but when two people say the same thing, they're out. Let's say we pick up the fruit category. At the count of 3, we have to say the name of the fruit that comes to our mind. And whenever two people say the same thing, they're jinxed. 1, 2, 3. Apple. 1, 2, 3. Watermelon. Okay. Once again. We only play it thrice because it's in the start of the class. We don't want to give this game a lot of attention and time, but in short time, we want more attention. Okay, the last time. 1, 2, 3. Grapes. Super. So we both are jinxed. Now other people can continue in case this happens in the first round. Students will be really excited to try this out, and I think most of the people who have the same wavelength or they sit together will give you this answer. Make sure you change the categories in every class so that it's fun for them. The second way to start our class should be 2 truths and 1 lie. This is a very effective game and it will keep the children thinking about what's the truth and what's the lie. So how you can connect this to your topic is where your creativity lies. For example, if you're a science teacher that is teaching about food chains to the primary kids, what you could do is you could get 3 facts in the classroom related to the food chain and you have to pick up which one is the lie. So I'll be sharing 3 facts about food chain and you have to comment down below which one is the lie. Number 1. Human beings are always at the end of the food chain because they eat both plants and animals. Number 2. There are more than 250,000 types of decomposers in the food chain which help us to maintain the food chain better. Number 3. Just like herbivores and carnivores, there are a species called scavengers which only eat dead animals. Now do let me know by commenting down below which one is the lie. This is a great way to engage the class and let them think. When they are thinking and they want to give an answer, they will remain silent and all their attention and eyeballs will be on you. Make use of this attention and set the tonality of your class and get it going. The third way to start a class is to use a prop and play the game Doggy Doggy Where's the Bone. Basically, this duster acts as a bone. And at the start of the class, you have to say that you have the duster with you while teaching. Whoever is creating a mischief or making a noise in the class, I will keep this bone in front of that child. The bone will keep on passing, and if you don't stop, the bone will remain with you. At the end of the class, whoever has the bone will get an extra assignment or an extra worksheet from my side. This way, the child will be cautious that they don't want the bone because they don't want to do extra homework. This will help you in maintaining the silence in the class and have their attention all the time because they are curious to know where is the bone actually going. Which also brings me to the point that in case you generically have a noisy class, then you must check out our whole playlist of classroom management videos. It will help you in managing your classroom effectively. The next game is called Thumbs Up, Thumbs Down. Usually, pre-primary and primary kids find it difficult to express themselves. It will be easy if we give them gestures. They will be willing to participate in the class if it's just doing such actions. So, at the start of the class, instead of asking, "How are you all?" let them just do thumbs up or thumbs down. So, whenever you enter the class, ask some basic questions for the thumbs up, thumbs down game and then move on to actual teaching. This will strike a chord in maintaining relationship with your students and they will know that whenever Khyati Miss comes in, she will have a thumbs up, thumbs down game. For example, good morning children. Did you all have breakfast today? Show me thumbs up if you had breakfast. If you didn't have breakfast, you can show a thumbs down. It's okay. How is your day going so far? Give me a thumbs up if it's good and give me a thumbs down if it's not so good for you. Do you all remember the phonic sounds that we learned today? Show me a thumbs up if you do and show me a thumbs down if you don't remember. It's okay. Let us revise what we did yesterday and then move further to today's class. Are you all excited? Super! Thank you! The next way to start your class is to have a king or a queen. Pick any random child from your class. For example, I am teaching 5A and I pick up a boy. The king of class 5A is right in front of you. He will decide what he wants, and as soon as he says what he wants, you all have to obey the king and give him what he wants. Okay? You could also tell the child they can get anything that they want: pencils, erasers, sharpeners. Such things will excite the students. Not only this game will be amazing for the rest of the class, but also you have to declare that whoever is obedient and whoever is doing all the assignments will get to be the king or the queen of the class. And because they want to be in that particular position, they are super excited to do this. This won't even take more than a minute, but the kids will be eager to know who is the king or the queen and what will they ask for. They will also come in the active mode because they want to give that thing to the king, and hence you will have all the energy that you require to teach them. The next way to effectively start a class is to get them to keep calm before you start. Now, if you tell them normal breathing exercise like breathe in, breathe out, they will not like this. So what you have to do instead is teach them smell the flower and blow the candle. Now, this is quite simple. You take your left hand and take all the fingers together and make it look like a flower. And from the right hand, you have to show your pointer finger. What you actually have to do is smell the flower, blow the candle. This is a very simple inhale, exhale breathing exercise. But if you use such actions and make it into a game, the students will be willing to do it. If your class is very disturbed or they are just back from the games period or any activity, this seems to be the best method to calm them down and get them back to your classroom. So if you like this technique of smell the flower and blow the candle, do give this video a like. The seventh and the most loved game of my class is rock, paper, scissors. Very usual game, but my primary kids love it. So how we play this game is the class versus the teacher. So I will do rock, paper, scissors and they will do it over there. And if I have a stone and they have a paper, then I go. And once I am out, one of the class students will continue the game. We play this game just for 30 seconds. I start the game, but when the kids get to continue the game, they are super excited to play this game. And you need not get the child in front of you. They can play it at their own places, which makes you manage your class well. Okay, now I am the teacher and here's the class. Let's play. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, I win. You lose. Now whoever has done paper, all of them lose. Now let's play the next round. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, I lose. Now you can do the game. That's how we play. So that's it for today's video. At the end, I would only like to say the students will forget what you did or what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel. So start your class in an amazing tone. Make them excited and eager to attend your class every single day. And trust me, they will retain this kindness throughout their life. We hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to comment down below how will you start your class from now on. Share this video with your teacher, friends and family and subscribe to Teacherpreneur and press that bell icon to be a part of the Future Makers family. See you soon.